Ctrl plus A is equal to select all. Ctrl plus B is equal to bold. Ctrl plus C is equal to copy. Ctrl plus D is equal to font. Ctrl plus E is equal to center. Ctrl plus F is equal to find. Ctrl plus G is equal to go to. Ctrl plus H replace. Ctrl plus I italic. Ctrl plus J justify. Ctrl plus K hyperlink. Ctrl plus L left side. Ctrl plus M hanging indent. Ctrl plus N new. Ctrl plus O open. Ctrl plus P is equal to friend. Ctrl plus Q clear indent. Ctrl plus R right side. Ctrl plus S save as. Ctrl plus L left indent. Ctrl plus U underline. Ctrl plus V paused. Ctrl plus W close. Ctrl plus X cut. Ctrl plus Y redo. Ctrl plus Z undo.